Welcome to the 2015 Lexus RX 350 SUV. The RX 350 is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. To get a quick look at the interior of the Lexus RX 350, power windows, locks, and mirrors all around. Memory seating. You do have your power tailgate as well as blind spot monitoring. Vehicle has a leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control and audio controls. 88,183 kilometers on the odometer. Push-button ignition, as well heads-up display controls and your heated steering wheel button. Vehicle has dual-zone climate control. You do have a navigation screen up there as well, and you can cycle through media, entertainment, climate control, and radio. Your automatic shifter, your differential lock, or your transfer case lock, traction control, and heated seats, as well as ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. We have the black gray interior, large glove box as well, and leather heated and ventilated Lexus seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package with Michelin all-season tires and lots of tread. Color matched door handles, keyless entry, come to the front of the Lexus. The front clip is 3M wrap protectant as well. Those signature Lexus boomerang LED daytime running lamps, parking sensors, and fog lights all up front. Making our way to the back here, rear tinted privacy windows. At the back of the Lexus, rear parking sensors, power tailgate, and a backup camera with your RX 350 badging. Jumping into the interior of the Lexus, our second row 60/40 split. Both end seats here do have car seat ready, as well as they fold down nice and quick, giving you access to the nice large trunk of the RX 350. Seats fold back up, locking into position. Rubberized floor liners throughout. There is a 100-watt outlet back there as well. Over top, we have dome lighting and a single pane sunroof. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2015 Lexus RX 350. For any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.